Wuxi CRE New Energy Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of power film capacitors, focusing on the applications of power electronics. CRE is committed to the demanding markets in industrial frequency conversion, electric vehicles, renewable energy, photovoltaic wind power, rail traction, power transmission, medical electronics, and others, developing and supplying customers with exclusive capacitor solutions. The products are mainly used in energy storage, pulse, DC link, IGBT absorption protection, high voltage resonance, coupling, and AC filtering. As an emerging high-tech enterprise, CRE has a front-end R&D and manufacturing team for power electronic film capacitors and established power electronics R&D engineering centers with internationally renowned research institutions. So far, CRE has participated in the development of 10 national and industry standards, certified with ISO 9001, IATF 16949. We dedicate to develop more business partners for driving the power innovation. In the future, CRE aims to build an advanced manufacturing center, which will develop from scale to automation and visualization direction, gradually building a networked and digital intelligent factory. We will continue to lead the service, R&D, and manufacturing direction of film capacitors in the field of power electronics, providing strong support for the global environment and clean energy.